everybody, I'm back again with another video. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Simply Tanika Dion, and today I am going to be unboxing my June Boxyluxe as well as the June Premium box. Without a whole bunch of talking, let's just go ahead and get right into it. All right, I have them both sitting here on my table. I guess I will do the premium first. So let's go ahead. And guys, I have not been watching any YouTube videos, so I don't know any spoilers. I don't know what's in any of the boxes that I have. The Ipsy, my lashes, none of that, which I don't even know if I'm going to be doing a video for. I just decided to do the BOXYCHARM because for some reason I just have some energy tonight at 10 p.m. and I decided to do a video, a couple videos since I was feeling energized. But anyway, yeah, I'll probably just do the BOXYCHARM. I'm not sure about the other ones. I may not. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just going to do the BOXYCHARM. Is that what I said? Yeah, I think I'm just going to do the BOXYCHARM ones. Not my other ones, because, you know, you've seen one variation, you've seen them all. Well, that's not true, but, you know, people have different variations. A lot of people have, you know, the same variations is what I'm trying to say, of the same people that you may watch or that I watch. So, you know, but it's always fun to support everybody, which is what I do. Although lately I have not been, and I feel horrible because I do miss watching all my lovely YouTube friends. But the quarantine has me nothing but family oriented. That's all I've been doing. I haven't been doing nothing, y'all. Just family, and it's been awesome. To me, quarantine has been great. So anyway, without a whole lot of talking, or a whole lot more talking, which that did not even make sense, but you guys know what I'm saying. So anyway, I'm going to do the Boxy Premium first. So I've already cut the tape, but I didn't open it. As you can tell, this box, you know, it's all beat up, but whatever. Anyway, let's see. This is the inside this month for June. Alrighty, so let's see here. BOXYCHARM, and here's the things are on the back. It looks like I got 35, variation 35, whatever that is, but here's the other stuff. So let's go ahead, and first thing on top is this Baddington. I have no idea what's in all this stuff, guys. I don't know. I still have my boxes from May that I have not even opened yet. I opened the ones in April, but they're in my closet, all in the box, just like the May. But I opened April, but I have not opened May. And here we are in June, about to be into July. I'm about to get all the way backed up again. All that makeup that I did a video for, which I will list up here somewhere. The one that I asked for help on how to use my unused makeup. Oh, these are brushes. All of that makeup that I had, as well as a couple giveaways that I was going to do. I actually gave all that makeup away. Every single drop of it. I gave some to neighbors during this quarantine time. Gave some to neighbors. I took some to the Goodwill, which I didn't even know that they took makeup, but they took the makeup. And I gave some to my mother, and I mailed some to some family members, and that was it. I just gave it away, all of it, every single drop. I have nothing unused that I don't, you know, want or that I would not use. I gave it all away. It's done. So once I get more consistent back on YouTube, once this quarantine is, you know, even though everything is starting to slowly come back, once this, you know, is a little bit more, I will probably be being more consistent again. And then I will buy more stuff to do a giveaway. Yeah, because that, you know, it was just sitting. It was getting old. I didn't want it to expire, so I had to go ahead and give it away. So, and I, you know, it doesn't matter. I'll buy more stuff. So anywho, off topic as usual, these are Baddington, and these are the two brushes. They're pretty nice and gold face brushes here. So you see, nice pretty brushes here. Yeah, which I will probably, these I will probably put in the giveaway. Yep, I tore the box crazy, but I will probably, because I'm going to have to start building a new giveaway, because like I said, I gave away everything. Everything. Alright, and the next thing here is this Cocoa Contour by Too Faced. Light highlight, medium highlight, deep highlight, light contour, medium contour, deep. So it is a highlight and contour. So yeah, that's the box. This is colors. Oh, sorry. This is colors. I always go too close, y'all, because I'll be sitting way back here, so I feel like I need to go. I feel like the camera, I'm so far away, but actually when you look at the repeat, I'm very close. But anyway, I mean the replay, I'm close. Oh, this is pretty. I like the way this is. It's cute. Nice gold and brown, the cocoa. I don't smell cocoa. It may, but I don't know, it's faint. It's not like that chocolate palette. When they first came out with the chocolate palette, that thing reeks of cocoa. Not reeks in a bad way. I mean, they did a good job with the smell. And these are the colors. Nice, nice, nice. Had I known what was in here, like if it's in a palette in one of these, I may have did a try on, but like I said, I didn't know it was in here because I haven't been paying attention to Instagram, Facebook, nothing like that. I'm not on there every day, so I'm on there when I'm sitting around and have nothing to do. Okay, and I just realized I forgot to give you the prices. All right, so that Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette is $44, and those Barrington Beauty powder and contour brush set, $90. Ooh, is that because they're gold? I guess that's why. Because they are gold. $90. This is $90 freaking dollars for 2 brushes. This box, $35. $35. $90, people. Woo-wee. That is a lot. Okay, that's all this in that part. Let's see. Next thing here is Skin and Company Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Okay, always need some shower gel, honey. Always need the shower gel. Let's smell. Oh, that smells good. I like the Italian collection, limited edition, number 9, made in Italy. Oh, this smells good. Yeah, I can't wait to use. Oh, this smells good. Put my new bed set that I got for Mother's Day. Hey, my new bed set, and take a shower, smell all good and stuff, then get into my new stuff, which I didn't put on the bed yet. Now I'll put it on because I'm gonna take a shower with this one day this week. And then I put that on. But anyway, there's nothing like being all clean and then getting to some nice clean sheets. Oh, that feeling is amazing. And again, I forgot the price. What did I do with it already? Look at me. Oh, okay. And that shower gel is $22. Yeah. I don't normally pay that much for no shower gel. No sir, no way. I get all my shower gels, not all of them, but the ones that I've been using lately have been from Christmas, because you know in Christmas time a lot of people get you Bath and Body Works and they always get those sets. I probably got like 5 of them this past December from different people. So I'm still using the shower gel and the lotion on some of them. So yeah. But this smells good. Okay, so that's $22. Next thing is these Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. I like this packaging. This is really, really cute. Luxury Lashes. Lashaholic. They're real, I swear. That's cute. Okay, but anyway, the packaging is really, really cute. And then they got the little glittery shimmer type. Can you see that? I hope it's focusing. And oh, lashes. These are natural in my opinion. Very nice though. They're very, very nice. Y'all know I like to step out. Jump, jump, jump. Like my lashes to jump out. These aren't jumping. They're pretty natural because there's a lot going on in the eyes. So, I mean, they're not natural, but, you know, they're pretty basic for me. But, you know, you don't want to have too much going on in your lashes when your eye look is just, woo. So, yeah. So, let's see. These luxury lashes are $14.99. And we have a glow recipe. Oh, I was just looking at this. Okay, and I got it. That's nice. I was just looking on glow recipe or you know, on the website to see. I was looking for something. What was I looking for? I was looking for something. I don't remember because I was on Instagram and somebody did a IGTV and it was, I can't remember what it was. But anyway, I did see this. Okay, I saw it. Let me see. More skincare that I'm collecting because I haven't got through so much of it. But and this is Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I love sleeping masks. I really do. I like putting these masks on when I do my nightly routine and then sleep in them and then wake up in the morning and wash it off. I like that. Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Oh yes. It's going to be nice. This Glow Recipe got good product. Yep, avocado. Yes, indeedy. It's nice. Very, very nice. This is what it looks like, guys. It's nice sleeping mask. Nice and cool. Do your nightly routine. Put this on. If it's like all the other sleeping masks, you put it on and go to bed and wake up and take it off in the morning. This is not focusing. Come on. There you go. Okay. But yeah, wake up and take it off in the morning. I'm pretty sure that's what you do. Yep. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Yep. That's what they be saying for a lot of them. I'm actually on my second bottle of, which I need to get through right now. This is my second jar of, I love it cold. The Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I use this. I believe it says to use it. Does it say 2 times a week or something? I actually, maybe 3 or 4. I really do. I really like this. I do use it maybe 3 or 4 times a week. Anyway, I don't know. But yeah, this is the second one I purchased. The first one I had was a sample and I loved it. Bought another one. And yeah, this is the second one. And it just feels so good, especially at night. And now, with it being hot, keep it nice and cold in the fridge. Alright. Oh, and I did not say. Alright, gosh, what is going on? See, I've been away from YouTube so long, I done forgot what I'm supposed to be doing. So anyway, that, let's see. Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is $49. Again, there you go. $49. The box is $35. $35, y'all. $35. It looks like there's one more thing in here. Is this a palette? I don't know. It's pretty big. Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your face. Face mask. Sorry. It's making me dark over there. Anti-wrinkle and energizing face masks. Okay. So, I'm going to take it. Are they sheet masks? Let me get my scissors. I'm going to open this up while I'm here, guys. I'm going to open this right on up. Let me open this. Sorry. Hold 1 second, people. Because I don't want to, y'all know I don't like editing. I like to give it to you how it is. I don't like editing at all. Only videos I edit are the tutorials. When I'm unboxing, nope. You're going to get it how it is. However long it takes. Okay, so, it's good to have my nails back, guys, because during quarantine, when they was closed, sister was looking crazy, but I know a lot of people was. And I'm a nail biter, so having nails really helps me, and it grows my nails something terrible. Not something terrible, but great. Because then I don't bite them when I have nails, and I love it. Oh, yeah, this is what I thought. Okay, so it's 6 of them, huh? And they look like this. Six masks. This is good, okay. Yes. 6 of them, baby. All right, now. Can't wait to use these. You know I love masks. I might even put one in a giveaway. Because I like the wash away masks more. You know, like either the Glow Recipe or the Glam Glow. Those ones that you have to put on to wash off. I like them more than sheet masks. I like sheet masks. I use sheet masks a lot. But I do like the other kind best. Alright, and those masks are $22. Now that's not bad. Wait, no, that's the that was the shower gel. Wait a minute. The 6-pack mask, I'm sorry, $25. Okay, yeah. That's a good price. No, yeah, that what I would pay. I've paid that before. So that's decent. That's a decent. Alright, let me put all this away, and then alright, so yeah, that was a good premium. This was the first premium that I liked. Ever since I've been getting premium, which has been since February. First one I got a premium was the Fenty collaboration. I think that was February. I think. Was it or was it March? I don't know which one it was, but whatever one it was, everyone after that I did not like. I don't know if it was February, then it was what, February, March, April, May, June. That's 5 boxes, and I did not like. If it was March, then it's 4 boxes. So whichever month it came out, that was when I first got it. I don't even remember if I got 2 or 3 boxes after that, or 4 boxes. I don't even know. I'm telling you, all my boxes are stacked in the closet. But anyway, yeah, so that one was good though. This is the first premium I like, because I wasn't sure that I was going to keep it.